Hello traders, The title of the video is Day and Swing Trading Strategy Forex Gold US dollar. Right? So the epic for gold US dollar is S-ray Alpha Uniform USD. Right? Here it is. All right. So I'm on a monthly chart. We're going to talk about day and swing trading strategy for us gold US dollar. So you can see that I still got my drawings on the chart, right? But I want to highlight a very important point to technical traders. You see that if a financial instrument was trending down before, was going down from here to here, as it starts changing direction here, Fibonacci traders will apply Fibonacci retracement for this move down, and they will highlight which level, the sweet spot zone. If you do not know that, all right, it means that you are not yet an advanced trader, and you need to catch up with the advanced traders, all right? Very, very important. Or you have to subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel and check our videos relating to the sweet spot trading, the zone between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. See, we are now in that zone. So because the price was going down before, if he reaches that zone, the first reaction is to sell. There will be always others there to sell after a down move and a rally to that zone. It's very often is happening. Now we will not just sell for those reasons. We look for a bearish trading setup. If we see one, we will now trade it like a pro, meaning that we use a different time frame trading method, okay, to wait for the signal and to enter the trade at a low risk entry point. Right? So I want traders, so traders have been following me before, so they already have their P42 on the chart. So if you are new to us, place this P42 on your chart. 1, 2, 3. If you are a new trader and you want to learn more about the P42 trading, subscribe to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, and then check the playlist relating to P42 trading. In fact, if you do search the phrase uh, the Pitchfork 2 trading, you see, or you do search the phrase Pitchfork 2 trading playlist. You see a playlist from Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. And then in your own time, you can slowly but gradually learn to master the Pitchfork 2. Very important Pitchfork 2. Yes, yeah. So we are now a very important point because you can see that the price, this is what usually happen. I say this to trader before, probably go from this angle of the Pitchfork 2 we go to try to retest the median line and then it bounce back. But now this is a critical zone because it's a sweet spot zone. So there are people trying to sell it here, trying to push it down here. All right. So if you are a bullish trader, right, you have to be very careful here because we are in a zone where Fibonacci traders love to sell. So in normal condition, we'll say to traders, all right, priority to a bullish signal above 1585. See the top of this sweet spot zone. So normally we say breaks above that sweet spot trading zone. Retest it. It may do that. It may not do that, or it may form a higher low, or it may form a bullish chart pattern above it. Breaks above, find a support somewhere, exhibiting okay, a strong bullish momentum, okay, a bullish trading setup above that level, right? That's what we are looking for, right? The price has a high chance to consolidate, very important point, between 1483 and 1585, between the 50% and the 61.8% level. They go blah, 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 before, but before going up, all right? Or Another scenario that is more likely is like it may pull back a little bit more, but it's going to be tricky one here. What we can do, just highlight it like a triangle here. Okay, see how it is now. Just put something like this on your monthly chart. Just do what I did here. Draw that triangle like this, the base horizontal like this, and just leave it there. Okay, and see what will happen. Is it going to come out of it? All right, but you don't want to forget those 50% level and the 61.8% level. It's now on the edge of the median line of the lower half of the pitch factor. So this is the upper half, and this is the lower half of the pitch factor. So we are now sitting nicely on the median line of it. So that's what I'm saying to you. It may consolidate between those two levels. So for short-term trading, right? So they will say prior to bullish signal about 1483. Right. Is he going to do that? Now remember this triangle I'm drawing here. It's a tricky place. Now there's something else that I want to show you. This is here. We were when I was drawing the line here. We talk about this inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. This is the left hand side shoulder. This is the right hand side shoulder, and the head inverted head and shoulder chart. By measuring the depth of that inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, our neckline was this one here. So traders that have been following now already have that on their chart. The neckline is at 1355. Want to know the whole number 135559. Have an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Talking about market principle, all financial instruments going up or down are headed to a specific target level. So by measuring the depth of the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, projecting it above the neckline, we have an ultimate target level. Right there. Yep. 1648. That's what it's trying to get to. See here? Going up like this, people think that it's just going up. It's trying to get to that level. But before that, there is a midpoint target. What is that? The midpoint target is this one. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level. You see that? So because of that inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, traders are taking profit right now at the midpoint target level, which is this line here. That's why it's slowing down there to acknowledge the midpoint target level. If you find a support or come out of that triangle, they are trying to push it to that pink line at 1648. But remember, there are resistance ahead, which I already mentioned here, all right, another trend line and everything else that we have discussed. So this is what we can talk about on the monthly chart, right? Very, very important. That before two should stay on the chart, draw the median line of the lower half, right? Very, very important. Okay. And don't forget the horizontal key level. Now, let's go to the daily chart to zoom into the price action to see what's going on. On the daily chart, you can see that the triangle that I drew on the monthly chart is holding nicely. So right now, for speculative trading, all right, you see, you need to be very careful because the Fibonacci traders are selling it down like this. Okay? They are selling it down. They are trying to sell it down. So if you are buying here, be very, very careful because it's a tricky place to buy. All right, very tricky place to buy. Look for a good trading setup. Bigger triangle that I draw the monthly says that now I'm drawing another trend line connecting this top and this top. So it's confined, a kind of triangle also on the daily chart. There's a bigger triangle that I draw on it. You see, so there's a triangle there. You see, they're trying to sell it now. So those that are buying, be very, very careful. That's what I'm saying. This is what we are saying. Have you seen a good trading setup, or is it a tricky trading setup? If it's a tricky one, go away. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. Yeah? If you don't have to trade it, right? That's what I'm saying. If it's not a nice, a low risk trading setup, you do not have to trade. You just go away. Because what's going to happen? They will take your money. That's what's going to happen. Right? You don't want that. Okay? See where we are now? Right now, what do you see that can push you into a trade? Or do you just want to enter a trade? That's the question. All right. Okay. So the pitchfork tool that we have drawn is still here. So I went up. Okay. Okay. See that? So I can draw another pitchfork too, but I don't want to have too many lines on the chart. But I can do another trailer like this. Pitchfork tool like this. Put it, but you see, oh, Joe, that's too many. You see, I can put another one like this on the daily chart. And if you are so desperate, you want it to come a little bit near the middle here, and then before you start turning around there, common central here is broken, and then you are risking it because they're trying to push it down. That's what they're trying to do. That's why I was telling you that there's a high side. It may consolidate between 50% and 61.8% level because the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is a psychological price level that is dividing the price action into two zones. So the bullish and the bearish traders are fighting on the border, talking about border between two territory, right? 50%, but it's a psychological price level. So on a daily chart, what have you seen here? Not much going on. It's not ready yet. If the setup is not ready, just go away, come back, put it on a watch list, and come back. You see, now I'm on a 2 hour time frame. All right, see here. Again, that triangle is still there. It's just a triangle, and people are selling it now. It's a descending triangle, right? So normally a triangle is saying to us anything is possible. So a first higher low above a triangle is a high probability setup. The first lower high below a triangle is a high probability. This is it. And that trader may say, all right, George, I like the triangle, but I would like to have again a trailer a channel like this. Okay, see what I've done. We had a triangle, another one on the 2 hour time frame, we draw a case here. Let's see this channel, they call it channel, they sell it there. Now you can draw again. You see, that's why I have so many lines on the chart because automatically anytime I change time frame, I'm just drawing line like this. You see, blah blah blah. You see that? Okay. All right. See. Okay. So not much is going on right now. And sometimes traders just will buy or sell, or they want to be part of a trade and they end up losing. You need to be very disciplined on that. Okay. If you are trading for uh, investment bank, you're doing that, they won't be very pleased with you. All right. It's like you're throwing money away. All right. Okay. It's better to trade less than to just keep trading because you're feeling bored. This was happening sometimes. They are feeling bored, all right? They sit down, they want to trade, all right? So they say, all right, I'll play this one. And by the time they know, they waste their money big time, all right? And they get emotional, all right? Because when people start losing, they don't try to review what went wrong. They keep placing trade to get their money back. And they end up giving away more money. And personally, I don't think a good thing. Okay. So this is just a short tutorial about day and swing trading strategy, forex, uh, gold, US dollar. So far, not much is happening here. The most important thing is that triangle right now, and also the sweet spot trading zone. It may consolidate between those two levels. There is a target that the price trying to head it to, but we are now at the midpoint target, the ultimate target at 1648. Will he reach it? We will see. If it's going to go there, it will be in a rising channel. It will be breaking resistances. All right, you'll be forming higher low, higher high. All right, but right now there's not much going on. So if one is buying now, it's a speculative trade. So be aware of it. If sometimes it may work beautifully, sometimes it may not. Sometimes it will just run away and you say, John, because of you, I was not part of it. But the idea is to be more careful sometimes, meaning that you may miss some opportunity and you say, oh, George, if I did enter that trade, but it's your decision. Right? It's your decision. So not much going on, yeah? As I show you already, all right? go, for instance, on the 5 minute time frame, you can see again here, what's going on here. The price acknowledging that sweet spot trading zone is a kind of consultancy here, blah, 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 all over the place. All over the place. Yeah. Okay. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it so much, all right, do something, mark it down. Log into your account and mark it down. That will make you feel good, believe me. All right. Sometimes people are upset, all right, they go away, they don't do something. YouTube give you the opportunity. If you don't like it, you say, all right, I log in, I mark it down. Okay. All right. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on the social media. And I say to those traders that are sharing our video, okay, thank you so much. As always, you watch a video like this, or you understand it, use a demo account, practice. The idea, the ultimate goal is not to make more money, but the ultimate goal is to become a better trader. A better traders will slowly but gradually start reducing losses. That's how you know you are improving, and they start having more winning rate than losing trade. So having more winning rate than losing trade doesn't mean that you have a profitable trading account yet. All right? And then slowly but gradually, if you are doing everything and you're trading less, this is very important, trading less, and you are concentrating only on the best trading setup, well, you may not lose your shirt. I don't guarantee that you're going to become a millionaire. All right. You may not lose your shirt. All right. Because it's not easy to trade forex. And before we wrap it up, if you are trading forex, check the economy news at forexfactory.com. What we have discussed here is technical analysis. The economy news in the forex market, okay, one cannot skip them. If you want to ignore the economy news, as I say 100 times, just stop completely trading forex. And I mean it. All right. I mean it 100%. So this we conclude our discussion today about day and swing trading strategy, forex, gold, USD. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, George Trio YouTube channel. And be sure to click on the notification bell. So anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Joe Trio YouTube channel. Okay. See you on the other side. Happy trading to you all. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about day and swing trading strategy, forex, gold, US dollar. Happy trading to you.